The Lexus NX200t from 2014 to 2017 includes a trip computer in its multi-information display. Trip A and Trip B serve as independent odometers, recording mileage, fuel consumption, average speed, and elapsed time. This tutorial will guide you through finding and resetting these trip meters. With the ignition in the on position, engine not necessarily running, use the DISP button on the steering wheel or the display control knob. Press it repeatedly to cycle through the mid-screens until you see Trip A or Trip B displayed. The screen will show relevant trip data. First, ensure the vehicle is in accessory or on mode. Next, navigate to the Trip A or Trip B screen using the DISP button. Then, press and hold the Reset button for 2 to 3 seconds. The display will reset to 0, clearing the data. Some models use a trip stem on the instrument cluster instead. Resetting Trip A and B on your Lexus NX200t allows you to track different journeys or metrics separately. This is particularly useful for monitoring fuel efficiency after refueling, keeping records of business mileage for expense reports, or documenting data from a specific road trip. Both Trip A and Trip B can be reset manually as needed. Importantly, resetting these trip odometers has no effect on your vehicle's main odometer, which continues to track total mileage. The reset process for Trip A and B remains unchanged. However, recent updates to the My Lexus app in 2025 allow wireless syncing of trip data on newer Lexus vehicles. Note that this feature is not available on the 2014-2017 NX200t. For those looking to enhance connectivity on older models, wireless systems like CarPlay are available. Owners can still use aftermarket OBD2 adapters for custom trip logging. Some owners have reported sticky reset buttons on older models after 100,000 miles, potentially causing display lag. Cleaning the button area may resolve the issue. Online forums also mention occasional software glitches causing display freezes, which a reset can sometimes fix. Avoid unauthorized third-party apps that could access the MID. Experts recommend resetting trip meters monthly for efficiency tracking. Edmunds.com suggests it promotes mindful driving and can reduce fuel costs. J.D. Power surveys indicate that most Lexus owners find trip resets useful for warranty claims or tracking expenses. Resetting after each fill-up is a recommended strategy to track MPG and adjust driving habits accordingly. Looking ahead, trip computers are evolving with digital integration. Newer vehicles connect trip data to smartphone apps, enabling cloud syncing for features like predictive maintenance and eco-driving insights that optimize fuel efficiency. A major trend is voice-activated resets, allowing drivers to use voice commands through digital assistants to reset trip meters without taking hands off the wheel, improving safety during drives. Artificial intelligence is transforming trip computers, with systems that automatically reset based on recognized driving patterns, such as commuting routes, eliminating manual resets for routine trips. For older vehicles like the 2014-2017 Lexus NX200t, DIY modifications using OBD2 adapters are gaining popularity. These adapters connect to the vehicle's diagnostic port, enabling custom trip logging, advanced data tracking, and integration with apps that monitor carbon footprints for sustainability.